Let's analyze together Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. What's happening, Enrique?
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric long number. Let's talk about the ticker FFIE. Very interesting price action that we have right there. The trade of the year we were asking in previous videos. This upside movement of more than 9,000%. Wow, completely insane. But also the correction to the downside was the same amount of insanity. We had minus 90% to current prices, more or less. And if we take a look to the lower prices of 0.20 cents, minus 94%, more or less. Wow, what a crazy price action right there. Let us know in the comments if you have been trading it or if you are trading it right now, your experience with it. And at the end of this video, we will read all the comments in the previous videos of this stock that you left us. And in the next video, we will read the comments that you leave in this one. So subscribe to Trading HD, leave your comments below, hit that like button, and let's get started.
Okay, so let's begin, with the short volume short table that we have here on the live, the yellow line right here. So obviously we are not as, bad as in the previous, May, that it was like almost all shares being sold, that was absolutely insane. That happened, because obviously after an incredible uptrend, short sellers find a huge opportunity because they know the real value of the stock is not at that price in particular, but below. So in terms of risk management, it's a good time to sell short, and they did. The thing here is right now at this particular point between May 14th and until today is we have also a lot of people that are holding the stock because they bought it probably just the beginning, in the middle, probably even some people holding the stock in losses. They are reluctant to close the position at this particular point because they believe they should go back again.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the question that we have for you today. We have these levels, we could say 0.679, also 0.56 to the upside, and then the 0.20 or 0. And below that level to the lower side. So which direction do you think this stock will take? Very interesting moment. We are at the middle of it, and you can see right there these wide trend lines that we were drawing in previous videos also that could be acting as support levels. All of them were broken out, and from there the continuous movement to the downside that we have been experiencing. Also, we had this very interesting movement from 0.20 to the upside. We were talking about an upside of more than 200%. That was a nice movement in a couple of days. But from there, the stock seems reluctant, as Alvaro mentioned, to take either direction. We don't know what will happen, but this is an interesting stock. A lot of hype, not the same as it was in the past, obviously, because it was completely insane. We were talking about more than 9,000%. Wow, that was one of the best trades of the year if you took it at the start. That was a very difficult situation because not everyone knew about this stock. And right now, the stock is more known, but the opportunity isn't the same. Which direction will it take? Let us know below.
Yeah, obviously 9,000% is gonna be difficult to see it again. That would mean the stock going to $30, something like that. It's not completely crazy. But look at that. In the short term, maybe the 0.56, it could be reached. Right now it's not skyrocketing, but we can clearly see right here in the 30-minute chart is going up with an important uptrend. It's we need to see something more than that. Maybe if the stock goes up to 0.40, that means more than 10% from current levels. That would be the opportunity to get back to 0.56. It's something completely feasible, but also the opposite can be true. Remember, guys, the 0.21 area is the next support line.
Yeah, exactly. So now taking a look at the same strategy, we could say, but this time the resistance levels that we have right here being drawn, you can see the breakout happened, but the strength isn't the same as to the lower side at the first time. From there, we had this rejection around the level of 0.60 more or less. So the bearish strength right there is very clear. Then we had another breakout with 4 candles to the upside, but one was bigger than the rest. The rejection right there at 0.56, and right now we could see another breakout right here. Maybe we reach again that level of 0.56, 0.79. Maybe we break that level, or the opposite could happen, false breakout to the downside, or just continuing to the downside. So let us know your forecast. We're always happy to read those comments, and let's go with that section. We read your comments and we comment them with you.
Yeah, let's go to what people are thinking about this stuff actually. So obviously, let me see if I can find the comments right here because right now I don't see them. Interestingly,
I have them right here.
yeah, you can
Let me,
read them,
I can
Enrique.
place. Okay. I don't know if you can read them. I will start with the first. FFIE to the moon, and a lot of emojis, diamond hands, monkeys, the moon, obviously, the rockets. Okay, it didn't happen. We don't know what will happen in the future. Maybe in the future of Faraday, future intelligent electric, or yeah, I read that. I read that right. But right now it didn't happen. What do you think? Would you like update your comment right now? Obviously, you can say something at a moment in the market. The situation changes, and we can all like we don't have to be biased. We can change opinions as traders. We have to be prepared for everything. But thanks for sharing your opinion right there. Let's see the next one. Completely opposite,
Yeah,
by the way.
yeah, the stock is completely trust. Even if the possibility of the yeah, I think yeah, this is like
Yeah, United Arab
the United Arab
Emirates.
Emirates news couldn't bring it up. Then the illegal shorting is a whole other issue, non profitable whatsoever. There will be no squeeze at all. Okay, that's important information. And yeah, it happens. And the short sell, naked short selling they call it. It happens. It's not. It's kind of illegal, but they do it, and it's difficult to demonstrate actually. If you want to check, it's difficult to demonstrate that actually that it's actually happening, and that's the big problem that we have. And it happens in the stocks with a lot of shares, maybe because in this one we have more than 600,000 shares. So obviously that's a lot of shares to control, to be vigilant. So obviously it's a big problem for the SEC to check everything that is being sold and bought, and that's the problem. Yeah, it happens. It's true.
Yes, thank you for that comment in the opposite sense. One to the moon, the other is trash. We like to read all the opinions, we respect everyone here. Let's see, the next one is very similar. It is going to $0. Not much, not less. $0 exactly. We will see how it goes. Thank
I
you for
mean,
that comment also. And then the next one. Sold first thing this morning, but buying in when UAE, the United Arab Emirates, steps in. We don't know if that finally happened. We didn't check it because this comment was from 3 weeks ago. The last video was a long time ago. So let us know in the comments if that finally happened or how did it go. And if you entered, we don't know the exact price, but we will see how it develops. Obviously, that could be something to take into account, that information.
yeah, then we have Fukov. I don't know if I'm pronounced correctly. This sucks too. It's done, just like AMC, GME, done, and you all know it. Okay, that's kind of pessimistic, but it can happen. And the stock in the end it was like $4,000 in 2021. Right now it's 0.421. So obviously the trend after huge stock splits, it's very difficult to believe in a stock like this. It's true that the downtrend has been absolutely insane. All investors that bought the stock for the long term here, they lost almost all the money. And that's the truth. And the reality behind it is the net income. If you go to the net income, for instance, in this stock, we're talking about let's go to the annual net income, for instance, in 2023, negative territory, in 2022, negative, 2021, negative. Everything, in every year, they lost money. And in the end, when they lose money, investors lose money.
Yeah, that's something to take into account, also the fundamental side, not only the technical in this sense. And thanks for commenting that and also relating it with GME and AMC and similar stocks, because you can like backtest those in the past, what happened, and see. Obviously, each stock is different and the situation of the market changes, but you can let us know in the comments if that finally happened or how did it go. It also looks like a scam. FFIE, Mullen, Kit, and many others. We don't know about Kit. Mullen we analyzed in this channel, but Kit we have to check it. Ask yourself who is selling the shares at such low prices. Short traders don't let up. They are stronger than everyone else and have unlimited money. They are animals and have no mercy and will do everything to destroy you and your money. Be careful. Okay,
Wow.
very sensitive comment, we could say, with a lot of strength being expressed. We appreciate, the honest opinion right there. So, guys, what do you think about all this short selling situation with these big funds? And I think that he refers to those with big amounts of capital, not to retail traders or something like that. So, how do you see the situation? I know it's something that has both sides. Like there are mixed opinions, but a lot of people think like you did in this comment.
Yeah, definitely. And then we have the last one, Barman is like made bank off this twice, trying to a third with house money. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so there you go. Nice. You got that opportunity. It went well. We are happy for you. Sometimes it happens, and sometimes shit happens. So make sure that you take profits when trading goes well for you, and when not, make sure that you are learning at least, because in trading we have a lot of opportunities. We have a lot of experience from all the possible scenarios. Even if you lose capital, if you're managing risk, you should be ready for the next battle, we could say. So thank you very much for all this video right here about technical analysis. We hope you enjoy it. Subscribe. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.